Let's hit the road. It is roughly 6:30 right now. Starting this video a little later than I wanted to, but I prepped some stuff for Ktten. That's the cat. So the cat's name is Ktten, K-U-H-N. And unfortunately, I've already done one of these videos, but unfortunately, Ranger has passed away. He got a head injury and then basically just kind of shut down. So pretty sad. Ended up finding a new cat though, like just showed up, and she's really friendly. We're pretty sure she's a Mancoon, and she is very friendly for being a kitten. Like and no, Ktten is not in the back. She's under my seat right now, hiding. Don't know if I mentioned this or not, but we're gonna be making some freaking burrito, steak, lettuce, onion. But I'll prove to you that Ktten was under my seat. Yeah, there she is. Scared, little buddy? Homemade crankbait. Coming soon to the website, I'd like to say. But I still gotta dial them in before I want to sell them, because I want a really good crankbait action. It rips. Let's see what Ktten is up to, and let's get her out of the truck. See what she thinks. It's okay. No. That could have been a bad day. I'll get a Ktten cam set up so you guys can see what she's doing. She's really chill. All right, there you go. She's just back there, up on the pillow. Being Ktten. There we go. Meat of our burritos. If you guys want to have a little bit more intel on how I built my camper or my truck out, there's a video on the channel. It's like making my truck livable or some stuff like that. If you have any other questions, let me know. Comment section down below. Ranger was a chill cat, don't get me wrong, but she is just, I don't know. We don't really know what happened. He just kind of had a head and neck injury, and that was that. I mean, it's maple syrup. Just a pinch. Man, I really hope it's a good sunset. I need a good thumbnail. I'm such an idiot. Dude, every video I like touch something hot. Good American. Don't touch anything. Alright, now we can have a little cooking setup. So give Kitten this little piece right here. Alright. It's about to be the best meal of her life so far. Wanna check that out? A dash of onion. And then just that one's a little worse, but we'll make it work. Boom! Comes the second one to play. Let's see how I did. Not a bad meal to have on the riverbank, I'll tell you that. Woo! Alright, the skaters are starting to come out, so I'm going to clean up real quick and then I'll finish this next one in the bed of the truck. Give me that. Gonna get her food all set up for the night though. Your food's right there. Alright. Woo! Alright, we're gonna enjoy the second burrito real quick. I'm sweating so bad right now. Like, I don't know if you can, yeah, you can kind of tell. Not good. Finally starting to cool down. You're more than welcome to. Oh, let me get your water out too. There you go. Luxury living cat. Food, water, fan, litter box. You can hear a motor. She's comfortable. I think Kitten's getting ready to go to bed. I'm just gonna take it easy. Not much activity has gone on. I think we're just gonna have another peaceful night at this spot. Really nice spot. So, yeah, I'll pick it up before I go to bed. Getting tired, bub? It's that time of the night. Come on. I can always do something. But she's just right there, chilling. And she's having a great time, I'm having a great time. Ready to hit the sack? Oh yeah. So am I. So me and Kitten are gonna go to bed. Me and Byron are gonna go. Good night. Goodbye. Nope. That was pretty rough, honestly. The cat did really good for the first like 2 hours, and then not good. Started moving around a bunch and meowing all the time. She had food, she had water. I don't know what she wanted. Hey, you were not the best co-angler last night. She's testing it. She's like walking on the dang. No, no, no. You're not going out. All right. She's on the ground right now, and she has no freaking collar, or she has no leash. God damn it. Woo, you're going in here. That one got the heart going a little bit. Oh my God. My heart just went from regular to like all the way up. Like, oh my God. All right, we're gonna head home now. We have made her home. How was it? Safe and sound, and now she has an adventure to tell to all her cat friends. But I'm going back to bed, and this is going to be the outro of this video. So thank you guys for tuning in to this adventure. If you like it, like and subscribe. You want to see more Kitten, let me know down in the comments below. She's a chill cat. And as always, go check out byronsbase.com. As always, I'll see you in the next one.